How many of you know someone who has died of cancer? What about ALS, maybe heart disease, or even overdosed on opioids or had a deadly adverse reaction to prescribed medications? All due to your personal DNA. These chronic diseases can be prevented by genome editing of a bad gene mutation in your DNA. New technology is here, and it could be the most important discovery of mankind. It is called CRISPR-Cas9. In layman's terms, CRISPR acts as a pair of molecular scissors that can cut the two strands of DNA at a specific location in the genome so that bits of DNA can then be added or removed. In essence, we now have the ability to rewrite the code of life. With the discovery of CRISPR, we will have 100% ability to cure most diseases caused by the genetic lottery each of us has received randomly at birth. What is needed today is funding to speed up research and testing, to get the processes to become fail-safe, and to get approvals for procedures to take place. A number of ventures have started to raise capital by borrowing millions from banks or venture capitalists or issuing bonds to raise the needed funds. We could campaign for years, but that is the slow route. Our concept is to issue a cryptocurrency called CRISPRCOIN to raise much-needed capital. If we can get a large community of supporters behind the CRISPRCOIN effort, we believe we can raise millions of dollars to speed up research and save lives. It took the Jerry Lewis Telethon 45 years to raise $2.4 billion. The American Cancer Society raised $4 billion in 73 years to fund their research. By starting a cryptocurrency to fund CRISPR, it will raise funds much quicker. It took Ethereum, a popular cryptocurrency, just a few short years to be valued at $8 billion. With the discovery of CRISPR, we may only be a few years away from life-saving genome editing technology that will eliminate many chronic life-ending diseases. Go to CRISPRcoin.net to learn more about our efforts. According to the CDC last year, 70,000 deaths were attributed to opioid use, and another 100,000 people died from adverse effects of prescription medications. Scientists have isolated a gene that they believe to be the cause of addiction behavior, and courses are now starting to have a patient's genome before prescribing any medication. It is time to declare war on genetic mutations. Who wants to be the last victim or have a loved one perish when we could have saved their life? If we can make CRISPRCOIN successful, we propose to offer free genome sequencing to our donors. Along with a person's medical history, we will increase the cure rate exponentially. Our initial goal is $100,000. But to achieve these lofty goals, it will take up to $1 million to launch the CRISPRCOIN to start adequate funding for this life-saving technology. When we accomplish our goal, we can expedite this medical breakthrough in science and start saving lives. Your donation could just eliminate a life-ending disease of a friend, a relative, or possibly yourself. Please help us raise money for CRISPRCOIN to benefit this incredible life-giving opportunity. Thank you.